Check these words: burn, smoke, switch on, frying pan, oil, stove, burns, stitched, sprained wrist, badly bruised ankle, broken bones, chop, cut, grab, roll of paper towels, wrap, drop, bandage, scream, rush, slip, bang, land, burst into flames, give off, pick up, bare feet.
Last Saturday, Joe was cooking dinner while his brother, Peter, was taking a bath. Joe put a frying pan full of oil on the stove. Then he began preparing the vegetables. Joe was chopping some potatoes when the knife slipped and he cut his finger. It was bleeding, so he grabbed a roll of paper towels and wrapped some around his finger. He dropped the roll near the stove and went to his bedroom to find a bandage. Joe didn't notice that the roll of paper towels was touching the stove. While he was bandaging his finger, the paper began to burn. It didn't burst into flames, but it gave off a lot of smoke. When Peter came out of the bathroom, he smelled that something was burning. He followed the smell to the kitchen, which was full of smoke. As Peter tried to pick up the burning paper, he knocked over the frying pan. Hot oil spilled on the floor and burned Peter's bare feet. Peter screamed, and Joe came rushing into the kitchen. He slipped on the oil, banged his ankle on the kitchen table, and landed heavily on his hand. A neighbor took Peter and Joe to the hospital. Peter had burns on his feet, and Joe needed 2 stitches in his finger. Joe also had a sprained wrist and a badly bruised ankle, but luckily there were no broken bones.
Read the story again and mark the sentences. T, true. F, false. Or DS, doesn't say. Correct the false statements. 1. Joe was cooking a steak. 2. Peter cut his finger. 3. Joe couldn't find a bandage. 4. Peter smelled the smoke. 5. Joe sprained his wrist when he fell. 6. Joe didn't see the paper towels were on the stove. 7. Peter burned his arm with the hot oil. 8. Joe broke his ankle.